In a time of old, a tale untold of a creature fierce, with a heart so cold, they called him the Wolf King, ruler of the night. With eyes like fire and teeth shining bright, he walked through the shadows, his power unmatched, feared by the warriors. His presence dispatched, legends say he'll return from his slumber deep to claim his throne again. Watch a kingdom weep. Beware the Wolf King, the legend foretold. When darkness descends, chaos unfolds. A creature of nightmares come to wreak havoc. The Wolf King's awakening, a prophecy tragic.